All right, so the next one that we're going to look at is 2x plus 1 to the fourth power. So let's go ahead and look at an example first. And the example is here. And so we have x to the fourth power. So we see our coefficients that are going to go before this particular equation. So a times 3b to the fourth power. So since we're going to start off with 1, we're going to have a to the fourth. And then we're going to have 4. So this is going to be, I'm just going to put plus. So we have a to the third times a negative 3b. This is what I'm thinking here. Okay? And then we're going to have the one in the middle here. And this is going to be plus a squared. Oh, did I miss something? I did. It's a 4 here. So that's going to be 6 times a squared times, let me just go ahead and put 4 here, plus 6 times a squared times a negative 3b squared. So that's going to take care of that. And then we have a 4 here. So with the 4, we're just going to say plus, and this is going to be another 4 here. And so we have a negative 3b. So we have 4, and we need to have just 1a, negative 3b to the third. Is that right? Yep. And then we're going to have our last one. This is 1. So we're going to have plus a negative 3b to the fourth. So we can just go ahead and group these appropriate, or, expand it out. So we have a to the fourth minus 3, and that's not 3, but 3 times 4, which is 12, a cubed b times b, plus, now this is 3b squared, so that negative sign will go away. So that's going to be 9 times 6, that's 54, and that's a squared b squared. And then we have 4 times a negative 3 cubed, so a negative 3 cubed, that's going to be 27, a negative 27, so it's negative 27, and negative 27 times 4, 3 times 27 is 81. So let me see, that's going to be 80. Let me just do this on the side here. So we have 27 times 4, so that's 8, 28, and then we have 8, 108. All right. So this is going to be minus 108 a b cubed, and then we're going to have plus 3 times 3, as I think this is 81 b to the fourth power. So let's see if that's what's correct. So here's a squared minus 12a cubed times b, plus 54a squared b squared minus 108 a times b cubed plus 81 b to the fourth. So this method is working out. So let's go ahead and work on the next problem here. So we know that the first thing is just going to be 2x to the fourth, that entire piece. And that was number, so that was 1. And then we're going to have plus 4. And so we'll have 2x to the third, and we're going to have 1, that's it, times 1. So that's that 1 there. And then we're going to have plus 6 times 2x to the second. And again, this is times 1 to the second, plus 4 times 2x times 1 to the third, and then we're just going to have plus 1 to the fourth. All right, so I'm pretty sure we're following the same pattern here, just to double check. Yep, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. All right, so we end up with, all right, 2 to the fourth power, I believe that's 16, because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So that's 16x to the fourth plus 2 times 2, that's 2 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. And that's going to be x to the third plus, so 2 times 2, that's 4, times 6, that's 24. And that's going to be x squared plus 8x plus 1. So I take it to be that particular, that's what I believe it is. All right, so follow along, just see if you come out with the same answer. You know, try to do it on your own and see if you come out with the same answer. Okay? In the next video, we will do the 1 to the 5th.